How to change background in WhatsApp video call. First of all, open WhatsApp and start a video call with any of your contacts. Once the video call starts, look for the screen effects or visual options. This may vary depending on your device. On some phones, you might see a sparkle icon or an effect symbol on the screen. Tap on that icon and the menu will appear with background options like blur, solid color, or even custom images. Now choose the background style you want. You can blur your surroundings for more privacy, apply a solid background color, or pick from your preset themes to enhance your video call appearance. If your phone supports it, you may also upload your own photo to use as the background. Just tap the plus or custom option, then choose an image from your gallery. This feature is not only great for privacy, but also helps you look more professional or stylish during video calls. Now you know how to change background in WhatsApp video call. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.